Hello and welcome to this MarineShift 360 training video on visualizing results. In this video, we'll go through how to access and use the assessment dashboard and how to visualize and interpret results using the lifecycle breakdown, percentage breakdown, and table view. You can view your assessment results at any time using the dashboard feature, accessible from the project page. You can customize what you see in the dashboard by selecting the assessments you would like to see results for. You can also click Select All if you'd like to see the results for your whole project before clicking Dashboard. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll see at the top a list of assessments included as well as their quantities. If you want to learn more about how and why to include quantities, you can head to our training video on using the quantity and intensity metric field. Down the left-hand side of the dashboard, you have the total impact against each of the MarineShift 360 impact indicators. Global warming potential, fossil and non-fossil, mineral resource scarcity, energy consumption non-renewable, energy consumption renewable, water consumption, marine eutrophication, and then waste factor. Underneath each of these is the unit of measurement, and if you added an intensity metric, the data on this will also be included. Each of these impact metrics are calculated using a series of data points. These include verified secondary data points from the EcoInvent database and hybrid data points that are made up from these secondary data points combined with primary data on specific marine industry production processes. If you need guidance on viewing and understanding these data points, check out our training video on accessing inventory database assumptions. Now, the first set of useful graphs shown to you in the dashboard is the lifecycle breakdown. This shows the impact of the project across each stage of its lifecycle against each of the impact metrics and allows you to easily visualize when impact occurs during the product lifecycle. You can see that for some metrics, impact is high during the production phase, for example, when it comes to global warming. You can then see that others, such as non-fossil global warming potential, are higher in the end of life phase, and for others it's also higher in the use phase, such as for energy consumption. If you're looking for a more detailed breakdown, you can also view the graph metrics by assessment, group, or element by accessing this drop-down button. At the top of the page, you can see three other options for visualizing your results: breakdown, table view, and compare. The assessment breakdown shows how each of your assessments compare in terms of impact. This is a great tool for identifying impact hotspots. For example, in this first graph, it's clear that use and propulsion testing are impact hotspots in terms of global warming potential. While if we scroll slightly, we can see that under mineral resource scarcity, propulsion is by far the biggest impact. This can help you design and engineering teams to identify what areas they should make changes to have the biggest overall impact. The table view shows you a detailed breakdown of the raw material, process, and energy inputs. You can see all of the details for each metric listed here. You can click the tabs at the top to view each of the life cycle stages. And the table view is also where you can come to download your inventory references for detailed information on data points, or to export your data into CSV format for external analysis. The final button at the top is the Compare feature, which allows you to see multiple projects side by side. This is covered in detail in our specific Comparing Projects training video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.